When we drink coffee, the caffeine enters our brain and keeps us awake. It blocks the effects of a chemical called adenosine, which helps suppress sleepiness. The bread we eat every day provides our body with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the energy source for our body. So, bread actually powers our brain. Spending time outside helps us produce vitamin D. Sunlight increases the absorption of calcium, strengthening our bones. Water is essential for our body. With about 60% of our body made of water, it carries nutrients to our organs and keeps us alive. Drinking enough water is crucial for our brain to function. A good night's sleep improves brain function. During sleep, our brain processes information learned throughout the day and strengthens our memory. Getting enough sleep is the key to a healthy life. Which of these daily scientific facts surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Wowscience Shorts for more science facts.